Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a workspace on ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to use ClickUp and you have a certain workspace which just works well for multiple of your businesses. How do you actually go ahead and duplicate that workspace? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to ClickUp. Then on the left-hand side, find spaces, and then find the space you want to go ahead and duplicate. Click on the three dots, and then click on Duplicate, which is located on the bottom-hand side. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and duplicate a workspace on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.